When it comes to men's health, it's conditions such as prostate cancer, testicular cancer, and that can present in different ways, where it be lumps and bumps for testicular cancer, and with prostate cancer it's to do with symptoms that people might be facing. So is that problems with their urinary habits? Is it getting up at night time to pass urine? Change in those type of symptoms, and here at AccessU we can organise some tests for those individuals to make sure that they're fine from that type of condition. So for prostate cancer, it can be the PSA test, which is a blood test that we can take. It can be examination, it can be the history taking, which is really quite vital to identify if someone is at risk of something like prostate cancer. For testicular cancer in AccessU, it's often to do with lumps around the testicles, and that might again be going through the history, might be examination, which is clearly quite important, and then we would aim to organise ultrasound scans which can identify if someone has got something like testicular cancer. More often than not, it is ruling out these conditions, and then there can be other conditions if they're not something sinister like that. But those are the most important things that we'll sort of look for in men's health. The type of individuals that come would be often the age of 40 and over. Those are the individuals that I would always encourage to come and identify if they have some of these symptoms. It can also be individuals with a family history of prostate cancer. It can be individuals of black or sort of African origin. Those are the ones that have a higher risk of having prostate cancer, which is really quite important to identify those things quite early. AccessU can see people of any age, and the benefit of that is if you're in your 20s and 30s and you're worried about lumps and bumps around the testicles, we can see swiftly and quickly. It's very easy to book with us, isn't it, Andy?
Yeah, I mean it is. There's a few ways that you can book in with us. So you can just give us a call on the phone. We can usually get you booked in either that day or next day. You can email us on the email address on the website. And there's also an online booking platform. So you can just book straight in for the appointment that suits you. And yeah, no fuss, no worries. You're in, all done.